looking at division in year 3 and 4. In year 3, children often use the inverse or the opposite of multiplication to work out their division sums. So in the first sum, 15 divided by 5, the children would use their 5 times table to count up how many 5s there are in 15. So 5, 10, 15, there are 3 5s in 15. The second example, the children would use their 3 times table to count up how many 3s there are in 21. So looking at this one, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, there are 7 3s in 21. When children move into year 4, they look at a more formal written method of division, and we call this the bus stop method. With this method, the number that you're dividing into is placed inside the bus stop, and the number that you are finding out how many go into that is placed on the outside of the bus stop. First of all, we look at the tens column. We look at how many 7s fit in to 9, writing this above that in the tens column. So how many 7s fit into 9 would be 1, and then there are 2 lots of 10 left over. This would then be placed in the units column. We then use our 7 times table to count up to find how many 7s there are in 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. So in the units column, how many 7s fit into 28 would be 4. In this case, there are no remainders or nothing left over. Sometimes the sums can get a little bit more complicated where there are remainders left over. So looking at this sum, where you've got how many 5s fit into 432, or 432 divided by 5. So in this example, we would go, how many 5s fit into the 4 in the hundreds column? In this instance, we cannot do this, so we move the 4 over to the tens column. So we're now looking at how many 5s fit into 43. This answer would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So above the 3 in the tens column, we would put 8. There is also, however, 3 10s left over. So with this 3 10s, we would place it into the units column. We then would count how many 5s there are in 32, using our 5 times table again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We can't go up to 35 because it's too large, so we place a 6 in the units column. However, we still have 2 units left over. So beside the 86, we put an R, standing for remainder, and then 2 next to it. So our answer here is 86 remainder 2.